there, this is Doreen Velin, and we are going to have fun today. We're going to, how would you say it? Reconstruct a repurposed canvas. Let's do it. So I went to the thrift store. I've been really thrifting lately. When you go down to thrift stores, you can get some good finds. So what they make now is they do a lot of these big pictures. They're actually just prints on canvas, and they print them on. They're not signed. There's no copyright anything, and that's the secret. And they're usually pretty good canvases. They're on frames. This has got a nice silver goldy frame around it, which I already taped. So I looked at this picture. I thought, you know, I don't mind this picture, but there's a few things wrong with it. For one, this flower is out of place. That should be just plain white space. Your focal point is off. If you look at these four, for one, you don't really do usually four. So what it did, they did a square with these flowers, and this becomes a focal point. Well, you don't want dead space as a focal point, at least I don't. So I'm going to try to change this picture. I don't like it all blue or purple either, because when you have purple, what are you supposed to have? You guys know you have to have the complementary color, which would be yellow. Got to be yellow in this picture somewhere. So, and purple and, purple and yellow are complementary, and blue and orange. So maybe some yellowy, orangey, kind of brighten it up. It just looks boring. And so I'm going to try to get rid of the spills. And I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I'd have to somehow make this, maybe I'll take this one out and just make this bigger, make one here. We'll see what we can do. Anyway, I'm just going to paint it. Now get rid of some of the white, or some of the streaks. And I'm just going to paint this now and see if I can get rid of some of this stuff up here. It doesn't matter, there's lumps all over it. They put kind of like a glue on it. So that's okay. We'll just get rid of that. It's okay, the texture's big right now, so you don't have to worry. This might not work, but you know, what you can do if it doesn't work, do a pour out of it. Watch my video, one of my videos on pours, and just pour white paint all over it. It'll even it all out. It'll take all the lumps out if you put lots of paint on it, and it'll be good. This kind of got a pale blue, grayish, dull grayish background, which is quite boring actually. It'd be nice if it's a cream. Oh, let's do a cream. That cream would be nice on this. I've never done this before, by the way, so I might muck it up. So if I do, it's okay. It cost me $6. And I still have a canvas I can do stuff with, right? So I just get this cleaned up in here. Kind of like it to be cream, so I might just let this dry and put cream on it. We'll see. You know, I used to be so afraid, so afraid of messing it up with a picture or doing it wrong. Oh my gosh, I'd be so afraid. But you know, the more you do it, the more you play around, that fear wanes a bit. And slowly, slowly, slowly the fear goes away. And you realize it's a very, very cheap investment. And I think I would just take this leaf out of here, and that'll make 3 of them. I'll take it like that. Somehow. I have to make, this one's too big up here. Take that space away. There we go. Make one here. Yeah, and then this is over too far. So I could probably get rid of this. Get rid of that. And get rid of this in here. So that gives me 1, 2, and then 1 over here. I might take some of this out, some of this side out here, and have it over farther. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I like this stem in here. That's okay. And then this will be in front of the stem. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. I'm just doing colors right now, getting the colors kind of played around. Just give me an idea of what I'm going to do with it. Okay. Let's just see if we can dry this pretty quick. Won't be that quick. That's pretty good. Okay, yeah, I found some cream, and I'm just going to go over this with cream, and I'm going to do like a wet on wet, sort of like a wet on wet thing for the flowers. I'll let the flowers kind of blend in. At least some of the top white. Kind of cool. Let's get the bottom green, or cream. You want kind of your bit more of a deeper color on the bottom. There we go. Okay. And I'll just take probably that same, won't hurt to have a bit of white in it. Oh, that's nice. Get some cream in there. There we go. Look at that, eh? Just do some streaks. Just gives it some character instead of being all one color. Look at that. Just kind of different shades of cream. I'm going to keep the up and down motion going. I think I'm going to do an up and down, like shadows, go up into the flowers, like that. Can leave a bit of white at the bottom. As long as these blue streaks are covered, that's all I care about. Leave a bit of white. This is going to be a flower, so don't worry about that. Now, one thing neat about this, that when you finish it, you can put your name on it. Can't reach it there. Oh, I like that. Much more color. Getting some lightness in this picture. Way, 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 way better. Okay, I just keep the same brush. It's not going to hurt. I'm going to do my center first, which is the deep, deep, deep blue. I even do a bit of black. It's going to be right here. It's going to be my center right there. And I'll do some light blue around it. I'm doing it sort of like a pour, aren't I? But we'll see what happens. Just want to do a flower there. And maybe now some yellow. I'm going to do some yellow. Yellow. Where do I want yellow? I think in here. And here. And maybe here. Okay. Okay, we're just having fun here. This is really fun. Okay, I'm just going to kind of play around with it a bit and see what happens. I have to try to blend it into that kind of a look, because that's what that look is. Oh, you know what I just remembered? Purple and yellow are complementary colors. Oh my gosh, I'll be careful here. It's going to turn gray on me. Yeah, gotta be careful. I should let it dry first and then put the yellow on top. So that's what you have to do, is let it dry, the purple, and then place the yellow on top. Because it's going to go gray. Okay, they're kind of rounded, so I guess I can't do jagged edges. I gotta stick with the theme here. These are all kind of rounded. See, their edges are all rounded? That means I kind of stick to that kind of a look. Ah, it's okay. I don't want too round. And I'll take some of the purple and go over here. Get some of this purple in here. Can't be all blue. That's boring. Gotta take the other side. Let's take some of this. Scoop it from there. Got too much. I'm just, you know, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. You might think, oh gosh, she's really getting into it. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I'm just making a flower, just trying to have fun. That's all it's about. Just have fun. That's way too much yellow. I have to take some of it off. Paper towel here. It's going to take some of this yellow off here. Yeah, take it off. Okay. No, I made a mistake putting that yellow on. I have to let it dry and then do it again. I only want a little bit of yellow like that, eh? That's what I want there, just a wee bit of yellow. Just an accent. This is too gobby. I'm gonna have to do this over. I kind of have a good direction now what I'm doing, what I want to do, and I didn't do it. So I'm gonna mix some of these blues with the purples. Well, it's starting to happen now. This is happening. This canvas is nice. It's nice canvas. That one's nice. That one's done. See, that's what I want to do in the rest of them. So I'm going to have to, that's so far up there, I'm going to have to just probably wait for this to dry. And this turned out really nice. Wow, I really like that flower. I'm gonna do the rest of them like that. So it'll take me a while to do this, so probably we'll run out of time and you're gonna be bored watching me, so I can do it later and then you can see a picture when it's done. But I'm gonna hopefully do the other flowers like this and just get some, I just have to wipe this down and then put some blue in it. It should be okay. And I just need to worry about stems. I think I'm just gonna do, let's see, maybe just a deep blue stem. What happened to my blue? How come I don't have blue? Can't understand it. Okay, just gonna do this. This is my house paint that I put in. That's the wrong color. That's a Prussian blue. I didn't want Prussian blue. Yeah. Too strong. This is in front of that one, so this is going to be behind it. This is going to be in front of it. Grab some of this, go up there, get rid of some of that white space, negative space we call it. Now never take, this is a little hint, see this joint here? Never take it from a joint, it puts too much attention there, take it from elsewhere. So I'm going to be ending this now and then you'll see the finished product, because all this has to be wiped off and done more like that flower. So thank you for joining me today. This is Doreen Velin. We had fun. I did experiment. You can experiment too. Lots of fun. Try it. Thanks.